Hi, this is Keith with Total Seal Piston Rings. What I'd like to show you today is our power ring filer. This is the PRF 812 and the PRF 822. The 812, as this unit is a 110, 120 volt unit. The 822 is a 220, 240 volt unit. So we've got it for just about every global application there is, with the exception of 100 volt Japan. Once you unbox the unit, you're going to see this ring filer. It's manufactured 100% in-house here in Phoenix, Arizona. Made in USA quality. And I'm kind of going to give over right now the basic operation. You've got the filing wheel on this end. The opposite end, we've got a deburring wheel. So once you've ground the rings, you can come in, knock off any sharp edges. The pallet and the dial indicator. This is the diamond dresser. Once you unbox the unit, set it up, plug it in, the first thing you want to do is install the diamond dressing tool. We're simply going to put that up here. There's a small plate here that'll clamp down the ring, or in this case, the dressing tongue. Lock it down. We're going to bring the dresser up against the grinding wheel. Once we've got it located against the wheel, we're going to fire it up, turn it in a couple of thousandths, and lightly dress the wheel. Once we've dressed the wheel, we know we have a nice true surface. I've removed the dresser. Now I've got the ring that I want to file. For easy access on the camera, this is the ring stop, or ring lock as you can call it. We're simply going to switch this into the down position. We're then going to take the ring, install the ring on the plate, go underneath the clamp, and we're going to square the end of the ring up against that stop. I'm going to set that down so I can do that now. Once we've got the ring nice and squared up against the stop, I'm going to take this adjustment, bring it up against the inside of the ring. Again, the ring is square against the stop. Bring this adjuster to the inside, clamp the ring down, and what I've done now is simply and easily set the arc, or the radius for the ring, so it's very fast and very repeatable. Bring the lock plate back. Bring the ring up against the wheel. So I just lightly touch the wheel. Zero the dial indicator. In this case, I'm going to come in, I'm going to grind 3 thousandths off this ring, power it up. And we're done. That fast, that simple. What really makes this ring machine nice is once I've done that, I loosen this adjustment, take the ring off. In this case, I'm just going to turn it over, but say I've got the next ring to file. I take it in, set it up against the plate, bring my lock in, square the ring up. I know I'm good. I'm ready to start again. Back off. Touch off my ring, which I'm right back at the same 0 point. Dial in my 3 thousandths. And there you are, that simple, that quick, that easy. I can then come to the other end if I want to deburr my ring. Any kind of ring deburring that I want to do on the wheel. It's a rubberized wheel, not very aggressive, so it's not going to grind a lot off the ring. I can do a nice quick deburr, and I'm done. That simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 800-874-2753, or visit us on the web at totalseal.com.